Uba S pedang public prosecutor ke district and session court sa Rieh East Giant Hills district habakran halor ke jingsa Pynïap uba Milas khai hakamit jong arpusan tarik unok pra arja arpusan hawa sarang da prangut Kibrew kabla lam shi jing yap jong u ha ka shi tarik ukala lengkot arja punriu ulaong baka kam hi kadang sa ha ka jing tokit Hakajing kran bat hilat pathai kubor men haka khat lai trik ukala lengkot arja punrio uba S pedang ulaong bahaka santrik ukala lengkot arja punrio kini gi nyongot ki basha kadokti kilapan jamin lupa anticipatory bail Laong bahaka tega jugo sngi la ai jing da shipor yaki ringkat kajing patha baki day ban wan mi hakmat u investigating officer ban sha tokit Yaka ni ka kam ka yeng kasari kal shong bishar ha ka khandai trik ukala lengkot arja punrio hadin kajing patha yo investigating officer ban ai ka kai phot Nakani uba S plang ula pentim bola persya ek kajing ai jamin lupa bat ka yeng kasari kala kentat no yaki bat yaki tegi nyongot pat lapan ngat judicial custody Halor Uwei pat uba syakro kuti uba dang Phet Rieh laong bagi pulet ki dang twet yu bat kmi lenti ba shen kin sayok kam yu public prosecutor ulaong ba amdan Uwei ru uban long halor ka an bat ben rap bakane ka muka duma ka dei ka bakhya bat kumta ukmi lenti bakinom jasho kum kini ki jing ja sakhamat Kinyongot kenthop yo rangba snong jongas nong wa sarang ubhalang lamo upios khai ukmi bare assistant rangba snong ujali lamo usbon lang lamo usarat lamo bar ungat lang lamo katba ubadang Phet Rieh pan uri precious lamo
The matter in Wasarang is under investigation now, where on the 5th of this month 7 bail application was filed by the accused petitioners. And on the set date of 5th of this month, the court has granted them interim protection with direction to appear before the IO for their interrogation. And the matter was fixed on the 9th of this month, where the court has also directed the IO to furnish his detailed report along with his case diary, which is on the 9th of this month. Then on the 9th of this month, the IO has furnished his detailed report along with his CD, case diary. And on my perusal of his CD and his detailed report, and also on the perusal of the court of his detailed report and his case diary, and also on my submission, wherein I strongly object to the anti-suit bail application of the accused persons, taking into account that the matter is very serious. And the court, on the set date itself, on the 9th of this month, had rejected the anticipatory bail application of the 7 accused persons, and they have been sent forthwith into custody. Is under investigation by the investigating officer. As far as my knowledge goes, they are in judicial custody. What information I have gathered from the investigating officer, attempt has been made by the IO and the police to apprehend the absconding accused person. So let's hope that he'll be apprehended by the police in very short date. There are around 8 named accused in this case, if I'm not mistaken. But so far, the apprehending accused, I'm not in a position to tell you his detail. But he was in the record. That's what I said. I could not get his full detail, but there is in the record. I could not recollect now, but his name appeared in the record. That would be the matter of investigation. I cannot give any comment as of now because the case is still under investigation by the IO. But what I'm trying to say is whatever may be or whatever the issues may be prior to incident, we are not concerned with. But the only thing is that nobody should take the law into their own hand, no matter what authority they are having in the village. The law is there to protect each and every citizen of this country. No, this is very serious case. Actually, to my understanding is this type of cases should not happen in our society. And because like what I have stated earlier, now the case is under investigation. The IO will do it best, and I have full hope on the IO to thoroughly investigate this case. But this type of cases, as what you have asked, it should not happen in society. This very sad state of affairs.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka batau bha. Kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhak, ka jing im bakam bhak, pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.